Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily add download app page in Site123. So let's just start. First, what you want to do is just click here on add new page and let's write here app. You're gonna see it here that download application. Let's just click on it and we will have it right here. So when I'm going to scroll down, I will just delete this one, I don't like it. And I will delete this one. So when you're gonna have application, this is download app tool. You can use it to let people download your application. What you want to do is just click here on edit and description. So Google Play, add your link here, App Store, PC link, Chrome Web Store, whatever you got, and edit the description. Then just click here, save and close, and you got it. So, and how you can change the buttons? The buttons are the color of your design. So when you're gonna click colors and button text color, no, main color, everything is orange now. So this is how you can do it. Yeah, thank you, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.